This Gotham Steel Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan is a kitchen superstar. It is a 5.5-inch single-serve pan. This small frying pan is perfect for eggs and pancakes. The diamond-infused non-stick surface is amazing. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You won't need much oil or butter. This makes your cooking healthier. The copper finish looks great in any kitchen. The Gotham Steel Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan makes cooking easy. It heats up quickly and evenly. This means your eggs cook just the way you like them. No more uneven cooking or sticky messes. It is also non-toxic and dishwasher safe. This adds to the convenience. Use this pan for quick breakfasts or single-serving meals. It's a fantastic addition to your kitchen utensils. If you want a reliable small frying pan, the Gotham Steel Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan is a great choice. It lives up to its non-stick promise. Cleaning is simple, often needing just a sponge. While it's not made of rubber or vinyl, its sturdy construction ensures lasting use. Forget any kitchen shenanigans. This pan delivers. It's a DOTCLAD dream for easy cooking. This Gotham Steel Mini Non-Stick Egg Pan is highly recommended for anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims. The OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick, easy to clean, small size, single serve, for eggs, for pancakes, diamond infused. Non-toxic, dishwasher safe, copper color. Cons: small cooking area, not for big meals, might scratch easily, handle can get hot, uneven. Heating possible, durability is questioned, not induction ready, coating may peel. Features: single serve size, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, non-toxic, small and compact, for eggs. Pancakes, copper color. 5.5-inch pan. This is a small 5.5-inch copper-colored pan from Gotham Steel. It has a non-stick surface that is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. This pan is non-toxic and its compact size makes it great for cooking single servings of eggs or pancakes. This small, copper-colored Gotham Steel pan is great for cooking one egg or a pancake because it's non-stick and easy to clean. It has diamonds in the coating and is safe to put in the dishwasher. However, it's not big enough for large meals. Might get scratched easily, and the handle could get hot. Also, it might not heat evenly, and some people wonder if it will last a long time. Plus, it can't be used on induction stoves, and the coating might peel off over time.